Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you a couple of things about what we're doing today and how to use some of the new features on Flipgrid. First, the storyboard does need to be fully completed and checked over by me. Second, if you go to day 3, this is where you'll be able to click onto Flipgrid. So if you see here, there's a link. If you click on that, it will take you to Flipgrid itself. Here it is. You'll log in using Google and just follow the instructions and you should be able to get on right here. Okay, a few things. The screen, you've got these different features now that changes the way it looks. This is fine, and you can certainly have some parts of your video where you can use this feature. However, the thing I wanted to show you today is the whiteboard or the blackboard. Okay, they're both the same thing. So let's say I show you the blackboard right here. What's nice about this is you can get your point across about a term that you're explaining using a screenshot and other images. So you click on the options right here and you can actually upload a sticker.
Good morning, land staff. Just announced that we will be inside this morning, so all staff that have supervision this morning, please report to the auditorium at this time. Again, we are inside this morning, so please report to the auditorium at this time. Thank you.
So when you click on upload sticker, there it is. You can click, and let's say you've already chosen an image you want to use and you've saved it onto your Chromebook. Then what you can do here is find it. So there's one I did earlier. This is a screenshot I took from one of the Dude Perfect videos. And now you've got it on your blackboard. And now you can start explaining about what's going on in this picture. Okay. Another nice thing here too is you can add text. So if you add text, you can start explaining what's going on. Well, that's way too big. All you got to do here is just click on the box and you can just make it smaller. You can drag it wherever you want it to go, determine the size of your text box, and continue to explain what's happening here in terms of forces and acceleration. Another thing you can do is you can also play yourself in the background. Okay, so you can actually have the image and then have you in the background, so it's not just you, it's information that you're trying to explain. In addition to that, if you go back here and you go to options, don't forget, it can be any kind of image that you upload. So let's say you find a useful image on Google Images. This is rather useful. So then you can add that to also further explain what's going on in the image itself. So there's really a lot of options for using this feature, and I'm really kind of a fan. I think it really works very well. You then record. So here's me recording. Here you can see an example of acceleration. Because the ball has a trajectory which is curved, it is constantly accelerating because its direction is constantly changing. I pause it. I can review it just by pressing this button over here. If you're happy with that, you can just continue. So now you go to add the rest and you can continue with the rest of your thing. You don't want to keep this here. How do you get rid of it? You simply clear it, press this button up here. Everything's clear and you start at square one once again. Maybe the next one you just want to show a picture of yourself. There you go. Maybe you want to use one of the definitions that you've got. Cut these out, use them. All right, go old school and just use your sketch notes and explain things that way, or even using your storyboards. Don't forget, these storyboards are a working document. This is your script. These are your images that you can use. All right, so I think you've got a lot that you can do. You can be extremely creative. You can do things in so many different ways. Remember that you're explaining what's happening in the video and how they're good examples of a force term. Okay.